emakhosini umhlambululi ngizokhuluma ngabantu born wish like abazalwe ngobuthakathi and they are not aware of that. Umuntu uzalwa vele usekhethiwe. Now yes iyayihlanganisa ifoundation yakho makube abantu bakini vele bayathakatha ngithi, and now uku generation whereby iye yahamba yacimeka le generation ekhona kulabo abadala basele, they are not even aware ukuthi no mina you are born witch vele, you are born witches and you don't know that. Kushuthi leli khaya ikese from ekhaya eyayenzwa mhlawumbe yilaba abo khokho le, and when we are not aware ngifuna ukuthi uzazi ukuthi namhlanje ufola ebumnyameni noma ekhanyeni ngoba abantu they keep on needing ukhanya kanti no basayinwa like kwasayinwa ukuthi no la kule khaya siyathakatha, and when you are not aware of that and ngaleso sikhathi ufuna ukukhanya. Now labo bantu uzobona eyokuqala uzobona ngokuthi mawuyenza impinda iyabuyela, mawuqala uthi uyazibuyiselela. Okay, let me not confuse you. Ithi ngiqale la iqala khona. Uma uqala a spiritual journey because of umthakathi, then he one sign ezokubonisa because of now uzofuna ukuya kumelaphi wendabuko, ufuna kuba profite because of what? Umthakathi, not because of I foundation yakho. There's a difference. Uma unamhlanje uthi uyasukuma ngoba uyathakathwa, definitely la uyofika khona uyofuna uncedo angeke ulithola uncedo, uzofana nomthakathi because uzothola umelaphi wendabuko ongenangqondo ozokupha amandla ungeka detect ukuthi wena you are born witch or wasekukhanyeni, uzokunceda ukuthi ushaye umthakathi ngaleso sikhathi ne vele you are born witch. Then when I'm out of talent, you must know what the dark kingdom will demand you to do more. Because already so yavusa lesa silonda sasekhaya ukuthi la kuyathakatha. And ngaleso sikhathi wena manje sofuna ukukhanya awukwazi ukukhanya because of now uvumelane nalento yayenzwa abokhokho le. Yini namhlanje ekucindezele ukuthi ungaphumelele empilweni because of kwamele ufite that dark kingdom, kwamele uyiphinde lento. And ngaleso sikhathi now impande ezimbili kabo mama nabo baba, kabo baba kungayenzeka ukuthi ibona aba born witch or kabo mama ibona. Now uzoba in between I light ne darkness. You get my point? Uzoba it will be a demons angels fight ngaleso sikhathi war kuwe because of kabo mama they will keep on saying asigenzi lokho, kabo baba yenza. You get my point? So yiyo isign yokuqala ukuthi uma be careful ukuthi usukuma uya kumelaphi wendabuko noma umprofeti noma bomhlambululi ngani abomhlambululi bazo bayizani bazokushaya isandla ukuthi thina sidili ngabathakathi. Abomhlambululi abadili nanoma ngabe uyamazi kangakanani, sidila ngomsamo ngoba umsamo very important ukuthi kungani abathakathi bazenzela kimi. Umsamo yiwona ozosiphendulela ukuthi hayi bakusukela ngoba bafuna uvuse isithwalo sokulimaza abantu. Bafuna ukuthi wenzeni, bafuna ukuthi ulwele ikhaya ngoba abantu bala ekhaya babulawa ngobuthakathi, babulawa kusho ukuthi kunomoya we revenge. Kukhona umoya we revenge emsamo wokukhanya, kukhona umoya we revenge wokuthi vele sethakatha. Thinga confuse ngokubreakele down again. Uma impande ezimbili zibalekile ukuthi le impande ziphile kuwena, kabo mama nakabo baba, extended kabo mkhulu kabo gogo. Now masizobheka ukuthi kabo baba kuyathakathwa noma kabo mama kuyathakathwa, mawuzothatha anything noma ufisele omunye umuntu into embi wazi ukuthi uvumelana nale nto. Yingakho ngisho ngithi bhekisisana ukuthi emsamo kunani. Ngoba uma ungamisa into yasemsamo kufana nokuthi manje uziyenzele, ngiyazi namanje nisangihlupha, ayikho into ezoyenza lento yempinda mshaye noma yokuthi go back to sender iyenze ibe nice because of you had no choice. Yes, we had no choice. Singabantu bala emhlabeni, ama emotions abaphezulu lokho ukuthi manje yes lo ngizombonisa ngumntanami, angidlalwa phezulu kumntanami noma ungenza kanje ngeke. It's normal as a human being, but ngale kwamoya iyohleli icala. Ngicela ukuthi ni understand that thing. Iyohlezi okay, uphethe inkukhu emnyama, uphethe igama lalo muntu, uphethe ibhodlela, uyamvalela, ufaka, uyamgwaza, umenza nomfaka esigodini. Nisitshe ukuthi izophelela lapha. Hayibo, ningazodlala nini. That kingdom will demand you to do more to more people. Ngaleso sikhathi wena uyenzile and now sowufuna ukuya esontweni, sowufuna ukuza kubo umhlambululo, you need to ukuhlambuluka. If in a case yokuthi lesos bopho wasenze emntwini kwamele uye lapho uyogubha futhi again, ukhanya kwakho uzokuthola lapho. Do you get me? So impinda angeke saze sayihlobisa ukuthi khona namhlanje abantu abathe I had no choice, I had to do this abortion. Asisebenzi nomuntu now ngokamoya ibhekane ibheka ukuthi no, you were careless. Yabona, as soon as we admit ama wrongs ethu before sifuna ukukhanya, then ke nikujeni kamoya. You can't skip into yenzile wrong and then ufuna ukukhanya. No. Ukanya will always demand the truth from you. Into wayenza. So abantu, they are born witch. Abantu, they are born witches from impande yabo iyavuma ukuthi balimaza abantu. By the time when ungazi mhlawumbe kabo mama bathakathi kabo baba bathakathi, once ungaphatha anything ezohlukumeza umuntu noma inhliziyo ewishela abanye, uvusa umoya wabo baba and then usuppressa lo kukhanya wabo mama, vice versa. Uzibuza ukuthi why ungezwe ubuhlungu ukuzwisa umuntu abanye abantu ubuhlungu? Because of uzalwa vele la igazi lakho liyaxhumana nabantu abayenzani, abayenza ububi. Kanti ngokomthetho bekufanele kenzakaleni, bekufanele ukuthi manje once ungaqala ngento zasemsamo uwazi ukuthi ekhaya kuyenzakalani kahle kahle, uzosaba nokuthi uqhubekise lokho bebakuyenza ebantwini obubi ngapha kabo baba noma ngapha kabo mama. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.